for 1.0001 multiply 10 raised to 9. 1.0001 into 10 raised to 9. Okay, so first remove decimal points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four digits. There are 4 digits after a decimal points. That means 4 times 0. 10 raised to 9. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros because positive power. So 1, 2, 3, 4 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 0 will be cut. So now 1,001 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a usual form. Now in fifth, 5.8 into 10 raised to 12. So to remove the decimal point, we should write 10 in the denominator because there is only one digit. 10 raised to 12. 10 raised to 12, that means 0 will come 12 times, and here 1 0, that means 1 0 will be cut. So 11 zeros will be remaining. So 58, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 zeros. Because 1 0 we cut from 10 raised to 12 and 10. So 1 0 will be cut. So only 11 zeros will be remaining. 10 raised to 11. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 zeros are there. Okay. And in sixth, 3.61492 into 10 raised to 6. So now remove this decimal number. We want to remove this decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits after a decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to 6, that means there are 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0 will be cut. So 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2 and 1 0. Okay, this is a usual form, okay, of a given number. In question number 3, express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. એટલે હવે આપણને જે એક સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આપશે એની અંદર જે નંબર આપવામાં આવ્યો છે એને આપણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનો છે એવું કહે છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ નંબર શું કહે છે? 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 1, 1, 0, second, third, 4, 5, 6 meter. 1 micron is equal to 1 upon, after 1 there are 6 zeros, okay, meter. So this should be converted in a standard form. So 1, okay, upon 10 raised to 6, this is a 10 raised to 6, okay, because there are 6 zeros. That means 1 is multiplied if 10 raised to 6. If we take 10 raised to 6 in numerator, then power will be negative. Here power is plus. Now it will be in negative notation. Okay. So 10 raised to 6 is converted into 10 raised to minus 6 because here it is in denominator and now it is in the numerator. Okay. So this is a standard form. Here only one digit before a decimal point. Here decimal point is not given. After 1 there is no decimal point. That means we can write 1.0. Okay, so this is a standard form. Now charge of an electron is 0.123. 123 means 6. 123, that means 9. 123, 123, 16 coulomb. Okay, one electron, charge of an electron is here given. Okay, so here 1 2 3 3 3 6 3 9 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 and 1 6, that means 16 and 17, that means there are 17 digits after a decimal points. Here there are 17 digits after a decimal point, but to convert this in a standard form we have to write first non-zero digit. First non-zero digit is 1, then 0.6. Okay, so here there are 17 digits after a decimal points, but now there is only one digit. There is only one digit after decimal points. That means from 17 to 1, 16 is decreased. Total 16 digits decreased after a decimal points. So 16 decreased, that means 10 raised to minus 16. Okay, 10 raised to minus 16. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, 1 2 3. Size of a bacteria. Size of a bacteria is 0.12345 and 5 meter. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 and then 5. This is a size of bacteria in meter. We want to convert this in a standard form. So first non-zero digit is 5. Then we should do point. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means there are 7 digits after a decimal points. But here there is no digits after a decimal points. Here 5.0, that means nothing is there. That means 7 digit is decreased. So 10 raised to minus 7. Okay. In fourth, size of a plant cell is 0.12341275 meter. Okay, so first non-zero digit is 1.275 into 10. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 digits after a decimal point, but now there are only 3 digits after a decimal points. That means 5 digit decreased. 5 digit decreased. Decrease means negative power. So 10 raised to minus 5. And in fifth, thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 millimeter. Okay, thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 millimeter. So now here the first non-zero digit is 7. Okay, then after there is no any digit, so 7 multiply 10 raised to. Here there are 2 digits after a decimal points, but here there is nothing. That means 2 digit is decreased. So 10 raised to minus 2 is your 7 into 10 raised to minus 3 is your answer. In a stack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter. એક સ્ટેક છે એની અંદર 5 બુક્સ છે. thickness of each book is 20 millimeter. એટલે એક બુકની thickness 20 millimeter થઈ. એટલે one book thickness is 20 millimeter. Okay, but there are 5 books. Okay, so what is the total thickness of books? So 5 multiply 20, that means 100 millimeter. Okay, so 100 millimeter is the thickness of 5 books. Here total books are 5. One book thickness is given 20 millimeter. So 5 books have thickness 5 multiply 20, that is 100 millimeter. And there are 5 paper sheets. There are 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. 5 paper sheet છે, દરેકની thickness 0.016 millimeter is given. So now for paper sheet, thickness is also given in millimeter. So one paper sheet has 0.016 millimeter thickness. Okay, but there are 5 paper sheet, so thickness is 5 into 0.016, so 16 5s are 80. Okay, but here there are 3 digits after a decimal points, so in answer there are also 3 digits. Okay, 16 5s are 80. Okay, so this is also in millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? We want to find out the total thickness of the stack. So this is the thickness of 5 books, and this is the thickness of 5 paper sheets. All these are in stack. So total thickness of a stack is equal to thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheets. Okay, we should take the addition because they asked us total thickness. So 100 is an integer and 0.080 is a decimal number. So this 100 should be added in this 0. 100.080. Okay, so this is answer, but we should write this number in a standard notation. Okay, or a scientific notation. So to write this in a standard form, we should do 1 after 1 we should write decimal point 1.00080. Okay, in this there are 3 digits after a decimal point, but now there are 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 digits, here 3 and here it is 5. That means from 3 to 5 2 digits increased, that means 10 raised to 2 power millimeter. Okay,